Now, we still don't know an opening date for this attraction. We also know they were testing it the other day. Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Adrian, here from LoshTV, representing SoCal Exploring, and I'm wearing a Horror Nights Unscripted shirt, where you can get this exact design at SoCal Exploring's Teespring, which I'm pretty sure he'll link it down below. Anyways, we're at a new park. Well, not new to you because you haven't been here with us. We're at Busch Gardens, Tampa. So we're gonna go have some fun, check out the Iron Gwazi construction, and just have a good day. Here we are back at Busch Gardens, guys. If I've never seen the park for Busch Gardens, here it is. The main place I am shooting is Tigers. And we will also look at the Iron Gwazi construction, like I said earlier, so let's go check it out. All right, guys, and there is Iron Gwazi. Now, we still don't know an opening date for this attraction. We also know they were testing it the other day. So these are good things to know, really good things to know. It's the front entrance. Also, the park is very empty today, so I might have some fun today. There are also these hand washing stations here, which I'm gonna come wash my hands now because I've touched a lot of things already. So let's wash our hands. If you want a nice another view of the top, like the high peak of Iron Gwazi, there it is. This is right next to. This used to be like a beer thing. Now it's actually, yeah, it's just a draft beer and frozen cocktail place. So that's perfect. And right across from the Coke canopy. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking, keep going through this park. Also, before I forget to mention, you have to make a reservation to get to this park. Same as SeaWorld. So I made mine earlier in the week. So it's pretty simple. All you do is go online, buschgardens.com/Tampa or SeaWorldOrlando.com. You make your reservation, you pick the day you want to go, and you're good. It's just as easy as that. 9 times out of 10, these parks are empty. Like right now I'm here, there's no one here. Like full circle, no one around me. So granted, I'm nowhere where there are attractions open, but since I've walked in, there's been no one. I was the only one in the temperature screening room. I was the only one that parked near me. It was just good. So, you already know it. Come to the parks, have fun, guys. But wear a mask when you do it. Kind of have to now, so. For those of you guys that don't know, I am a sucker for turtles. And these are turtles that are right next to ducks. It's a perfect 1-2 punch for me and Scott. Ducks and turtles. And if we turn around, got a bunch of flamingos. Or like I like to say, look at all those chickens. Here we have a beautiful peacock. Like, you are gorgeous. Like, you are beautiful, ma'am. Surrounded by a bunch of other birds. Like, look at these beauties over here. I'll go away. Last time I came out here, I took a picture with Big Bird right there on a boat. Here we can see Iron Gwazi in the distance. That is a fierce coaster, guys. Like, sheesh. It's everywhere. And then here we have Air Grover. And then over there in the distance, we have SheiKra. They have a little water ride for kids too. It's cute. It's fun. Fun little area. Of course, the treehouse area is closed because most play areas are closed because of COVID. But you know, another hand washing station. Nice. Have another angled iron Gwazi over here. Here we have a Lorry Landing, which is where it's basically you can feed birds, but it doesn't open till 11. So sadly, won't be able to make it in here because I'm just doing a whole lap around the park. But it's a pretty cool experience if you've never done it. You can feed animals, we'll feed birds. There's a ton of birds in there. A ton of beautiful birds. Like, look at that. Wow. And if you'd like to see a little bit more like what Lorry Landing's like, here it is. You get to feed all these beautiful birdies. Pretty cool. So I'm really happy that I brought my fanny pack and not my backpack on this trip, because I couldn't have brought my backpack on this attraction with me. So I brought my fanny pack and I'm happy I did that. But honestly, I love this ride. It's such a good ride. We're gonna go to Tigris now, and I'm pretty sure I have to do the same thing where I have to wear my fanny pack on the ride. But Tigris is really fun, so do it. About to ride Tigris. Let's do it. All right, so they let me ride Tigris twice in a row. Like, I didn't even get off. Like, they were like, wanna ride again? No line. I was like, I'll do it. So I did it. So I had a technical issue with my camera. The storage is full, so I had to go and fix that. But in the meantime, I did Kumba, fire ride. Love that attraction. I'm gonna try to do Falcon's Fury, then Cheetah Hunt, and then I'm gonna get out of here because I gotta go see my parents today. That's their popular attraction. I really like this. This is literally just a lap bar. It's great. And behind it, we have Falcon's Fury. So I'm gonna try to ride both of these now and then get back with you guys right after. All right, so I think I'm gonna call it a wrap here from Busch Gardens. We went on Scorpion and Cheetah Hunt after we talked to you last, because yeah, camera doesn't have that much storage, so I'm trying to get as much as I can in one take. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite attraction is at Busch Gardens, if you've ever been to Busch Gardens. If you want to come here, what's your favorite attraction that you're most looking forward to? Subscribe to my channel, LoshTV. Subscribe to Scott's channel, SoCal Exploring, which is where you're watching this. Remember that positivity is key. Stay excellent, my dudes, and always keep exploring. Peace.